Picture a near future where technology is deeply intertwined with our daily lives, where the partnership between humans and robots is reshaping our world. But this vision isn't without its challenges. As we blend digital brilliance with human creativity, we face questions of security, privacy, and the risk of losing the human touch in our lives. By focusing on enhancing human capabilities rather than replacing them, we can navigate these challenges. In this future, robots aren't just tools, they're our partners. The synergy between man and machine reshapes industries, crafting a smarter, more connected future, shaping a smarter tomorrow. Together,